Hello WBP stars and welcome to Elements Restaurant here in Santorini at Canaves collection. So today for you we're going to prepare Japanese ritual Shabu Shabu. Traditionally this course is based on hot broth with some vegetables and meat. In our version we have WAGYU A5 from Kagoshima. I'm going to put some salt on top, some fleur de sel. So I'm rolling the meat and I'll put it on top of the broth. Meanwhile, I'll place some spring onion oil, some chili oil, and just a dot of chives emulsion. So this is it.